Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session, we will understand export container booking procedure. Okay. So when we export some good from one country to another country, what is the procedure of the booking containers? We will try to understand in this session. Okay. So for example, we receive the order of 2 containers export from Argentina. Okay. So we need to dispatch this cargo. Okay, so for that, what we will do, the Incoterm is CIF. In this case, Incoterm is the CIF. So we need to prepare the commercial invoice first. Okay, so what we will do, first we will check out whether our cargo is ready or not for the dispatch. Okay, when cargo is ready, then as per volume, we need to book the containers. Okay, so here our cargo is for the 2 containers. Okay. But some case we can understand the cargo is not ready for 2 containers, so we will dispatch shipment in 2 containers. First dispatch 1 container, then next day when cargo is ready, then we will dispatch the another container. Okay. So here we need to understand what is the booking procedure in this case. Okay. So when we prepare the commercial invoice for the export in CIF terms, we need to mention the freight charges in the commercial invoice. So what we will do, we will send RFQ. Okay, we will ask for the freight charges from the different CHN freight forward. When they will give the freight charges, we'll check out and we will check out and check whether which one is the best price giving. Okay, so we will see not only the low prices, but also need to check out whether the service level also. So we need to compare the both things, freight charges plus the service level. Then we will appoint the CHN freight forwarder. Okay. The next step is CHA. When we appoint the CHA will book the container for us. Okay. So before giving the booking instruction to the CHN freight forwarder, we need to check out properly whether our cargo is ready or not. If our cargo is not ready, then we book the container. And we can face the problem like a containers come at the factory and container will not stop due to the cargo is not ready. So the transport detention will apply in this case. Okay. So we need to keep in such thing in mind. Okay. Now another thing which is very important, at the time of cargo booking, we need to instruct all the details regarding the shipment to our CHA, like a type of cargo, dimension of the cargo, volume of the cargo, we can say, then port of loading, port of discharge. Okay, and the final destinations. Okay, this thing need to be declared, and also we need to intimate to our CHA freight forwarder the booking need to be done under the 14 days free at the destinations. Okay, so our buyer will have a chance, have a time to return the empty containers in the time. Okay, so this thing need to be keep in mind at the booking of the containers. Okay, so once CHA book the containers, he need to fill the lot of things in the booking software. You can say intra or other software or online booking. So there he need to mention all the thing like a quantity, commodity of the goods, net weight, gross weight also. Okay, and then this details will show regarding the container. And when he book the containers, before booking the container, he need to check all the details regarding that. Okay, so when he book the containers, he need to pay some charges for the booking containers. Okay, so after paying some charges, CHA receive the booking. The booking page you can see in the screen. On that mention the lot of details regarding port of loading. Okay, and also time mentioned earliest receive time and date. Okay, can understand this detail is very important. earliest time of receiving, time and date. So here we can understand these details are very important. Okay, by help of these details we can understand at what time we have to arrange the container. Then also we will receive the date of PGM cutoff time. Okay, so before this date, CHA and freight forwarder need to file the VGM. Otherwise, you need to pay some charges as a fine. Then terminal cutoff time. Terminal cutoff timing is this 12 July. Okay, so before 12 July, container need to reach at the terminal. Okay, after this time, container will not load it on the ship and shipping line will fine on you because container is not reaching the time. And also your shipment will be delay. Wait until the next sh- shipping line or vessel come. Okay. Then ETA, departure of the shipment time is okay. So shipment will departure from Indian port from this date and arrival of that shipment is this date. Okay. Then final destination arrival on this date. Okay. So we can understand all details regarding the shipment always mention on the booking details. Okay. So this is the booking delivery order. Okay. When CHA hand over this booking to the transporter for picking the empty container at the shipping line yard. Okay. So you need to show this document. Okay. When you show this document, shipping line will hand over the containers to the CHA. Okay. Here we also need to understand that at the time of picking these containers, transporter need to be search the container. Sometimes shipping line not provide the container numbers. So transporter can pick up any containers from that uh, shipping line yard. In such case, you need to check out the dimension. He will not pick this container, but the shipping line surveyor or person in yard available that time, he will instruct to pick up the containers. Okay, then these containers will pick for that particular shipment. Okay, at this stage, transporter will pick this container from the shipping line yard. Then container reach through transport in this our factory. Okay, so there other activities start like a container stuffing and all the thing. Okay, so we need to understand what are the basic steps behind that. First, we need to prepare cargo details. Okay, then place your shipment booking, second option, and select the instruction while booking of the containers. We need to fill. Okay, this detail need to be filled at the time of booking of the containers. Okay, when we book the containers from the shipping line, this detail needs to be filled. Okay, so when we book this container, first we need to prepare the cargo details, then place the booking shipments like a location, port of loading, port of discharge. Then select the container type and size. Provide a shipment information regarding the what goods we are going to dispatch. Then finalize your shipping dates. Confirm your freight booking, ready to cargo for the shipment. Okay, so these are the basic instructions we need to follow. It's depend. These are not same for the all shipping line, but it can be different as per the shipping line instruction. Okay, so these are the steps which we need to understand while booking time that our CHN freight forwarder will book container for us and they pay all the charges which asked by the shipping line. Okay, so we can understand that any CHN freight forwarder become a business partner of the exporter, he need to pay a lot of charge. Okay, at the shipping line level, at the transporter level, and the custom clearance level. After that, he can receive the container and display the shipment. Okay, then he will bill to the exporter, and finally exporter will make payment to the CHN people. So guys, in this session we have tried to understand what is the basic steps of the container booking. Okay, so we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.